We are pleased to show you the 2018 Cadillac Xt5. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-sized luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.